How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can set the best setting for the Razer Seiren Mini microphone. Now, this microphone doesn't require the Razer Synapse application. Basically, that's the application that you use handling Razer products. So in order to set the best microphone setting, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the volume icon at the corner of your screen right here. Click on the open sound setting, and inside this page we then have our input. So the first thing that you want to do is to locate your Razer Seiren Mini. In my case, it's going to be this USB condenser microphone, so just make sure to select it. And just to not mess the recording up, I'm just going to leave it at my current one, which is going to be Voicemeeter. But the goal here is to just select the Razer Seiren Mini microphone. From there, scroll down and then click on the More Sound setting. Inside this page, you just want to locate recording. And then in here, once again, in my case, it's going to be this one. So I'll click Properties, click Levels, and then you could set your microphone levels. Normally, you want to set this at 100. And for the advanced option, you just want to make sure that this specific options is currently disabled. So for exclusive mode, you want to make sure that this is disabled right here, because for this one, it will basically restrict the usage of our microphone into a specific or particular application. So just uncheck these two boxes. Same thing with the signal enhancement, and then you want to edit out the channel right here or the frequency into this specific value. So one channel, 24-bit, 48,000 hertz studio quality. Now, if you want to even enhance this further, you could use something like Voicemeeter right here that will go ahead and enhance your settings even more. So just copy these settings right here and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.